Hey guys, what's up? Today's little project is fixing a busted section of a water pipe underneath the deck in the backyard. Now, I have a busted section because every year practically I forget to turn off the water and it freezes and thaws and busts the pipe. So I have plenty of experience making these patches, but one of the problems I run into is I have standing water in the pipe when I try to make the repair, which makes sweating the pipe very frustrating because the water gets in the way, and sometimes I have 2 or 3 failed sweat jobs at the section that I'm trying to repair. So the solution to that is what a buddy told me about, is the bread trick. And what the bread trick is, you stuff bread into the pipe to clog the water from either end from reaching your section of pipe that you're working on. This way the water won't interfere with the sweat. You'll have a quick and easy time of sweating that area without having water interfering with the job and causing a failed sweat job. And after the job is done, the bread easily passes once you open up the tap, and it's not a problem. Now, this would have been a lot easier if my torch wouldn't have gave me such problems by turning off. I was low on propane, but if that wasn't the issue, this job would have went in about half an hour from start to finish. This is not a tutorial how to sweat a pipe. Other people are more qualified to do that. I'm just here to demonstrate the bread trick that you don't normally see, and usually the real professionals keep up their sleeves. So basically what you do is you stuff the bread into the pipe, push it back in with a stick, and forget about it. So the job is complete. Water is in the system under pressure and there's no leaks. So now we go over to see how the bread passes through the pipe without any issue. Then you turn on the water, you get a little resistance, but then the bread just pushes right through and you have a completed job without the hassle of standing water in the pipe. Well, if you like this, give me a like and a sub, and hopefully I have more tips that'll help you out down the road. You check out my other videos, and thanks for stopping by.